So this is going to be a live trade. It is 8:02 in the morning, and I'm pretty much just gonna fast forward this really quick. This is a quick trade on the 5-minute that has a 3 pip stop loss and 11 pip gain. You guys know I only risk 2% of my account. This lot size is about to be huge, and it's 11 pip gain, so it could be a couple hundred made here. So if the reason why I have price coming up here and going down is because all across the board here, let me get my box here, all across this area, you guys can see it's been a lot of struggle just within this area. And once price comes back up here and hits this, I'm expecting price to give me a nice wick entry and continue down to my take profit of 10 or 11 pips. But we'll see. It may take a little bit, but we're going to let this thing just keep going on its own. But I'm going to fast forward it, and we're going to see what actually happens. This is a live trade on here, so we just really have to wait. I'm only focused on this one pair. I could do another pair really quick, but I'm not. I'm just going to focus on this one here. So hopefully we get what I'm looking for and it works. So let's fast forward this thing. So now that this is done, I'm just going to explain it one more time here. So we let this go up because this was a heavy resistance point. On my phone, it hit exactly, like this wick here hit me in exactly, because every broker is going to be different when it comes down to how far the wicks may go up. The flow will be the exact same, but the wicks is going to be a little bit different. So mine came up and went straight down. This was just a first take profit, just for sake of time when it comes down to recording and stuff. But that would, no, I'm sorry. This would have been the second one. And then the third one would have been down here, where price took liquidity to run back up to run these highs. All right, but instead we just did that. This 1-to-3 risk reward ratio, no matter if it was a 30 pip stop loss with 80 pips worth of a take profit, is going to be the same exact percentage of growth in the account, because we're still using 2%. So the 1-to-3, regardless of what we do, is still giving 6%. No matter what, it's just our take profit would have to be a lot longer to get that same benefit. So if we're doing that, 2% of $1,000 is $20. Risk is 20, and if we did a 1-to-3, which we did, that was just $60 gain in about 30 minutes or so. Or not 30. Oh no, yeah, about 30 to 45 minutes. That came up, it just went straight back down, straight crashing. But if you guys seen that on my phone earlier that it wicked in, this is what that mentorship does. for the sniper course, but I have 2 free ones. One of them I used to charge people for, but I don't charge people for it no more. I made it completely free just because of all the scams that is out there. You'll be able to get started with just those 2 alone. But if you feel like you're not accurate enough, this stuff will make you completely accurate with the mentorship. All right, so hopefully you understand why this happened, and I just want to let people watch it play out. And this will test out your patience too. You see, this thing went down and it acted like it wanted to come up. A lot of people would have got rid of their sell limit, thinking that it didn't want to come back up to get them. But if you were patient with it, this happens on an hour chart and the 4-hour, where it'll come up and it'll take all week for it to come up to hit this and then fall down. It happens. That's why I like entering on lower time frames, to get those quick pips in the morning. All right, but that's pretty much it with this one. This was just a quick live trade for what day was that? Thursday.